तो लो हेलो गाइस। तो आपके लिए लेके आए एक न्यू वीडियो। शोल्डर हार्डवर्क वर्कआउट 75 डे का तीसरा डे है आज भाई। तो इससे आपको शोल्डर में बहुत आसानी होगी। इससे शोल्डर बहुत मजबूत होता है। तो भाई पूरा वीडियो देखें, मिस ना करें। आपके लिए बहुत अच्छी वीडियो है।
But I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to make a dollar. That ain't gonna stop me cause my grind's contagious. I'll do what it takes to turn passion to paychecks. And if I go down, I'ma do it on my terms. And every single problem brings a lesson that I learned. The darkest nights, when things seem so broken, it's hard to shine, but I still try. I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight.